The aim of the Building Efficiently in Europe Comenius project was to explore the basic principles of sustainability. It was intended to raise awareness in our changing society of the impact climate change is having on the work of architects and builders, as well as the effect it's having on buildings and their occupants. Through staff and student exchanges involving partner schools from Scotland, the Netherlands, Malta, Finland and Italy, we researched and shared knowledge and best practice through the analysis of topics directly related to the school curriculum for sustainable construction. The principal objectives for this project surrounded the benefits to be gained through greater collaboration between different European countries. This included the exchange of ideas and a greater understanding of different cultures and learning approaches to sustainable construction for both students and teachers. The project also resulted in new friendships being made between students and staff from different countries and provided an excellent vehicle for the development of foreign languages for all those involved. The lead partner in the project was Adam Smith College. The college is located in Scotland on the east coast, in the Kingdom of Fife, and operates from two main locations, one in Kirkcaldy and the other in Glenrothes, which includes the new Future Skills Centre, specially built for construction students in 2010. The theme in Scotland was the choice of materials for sustainable construction. In addition to Adam Smith College, there were 4 other partner schools. Alpha College is located in the northeast of the Netherlands and has several campuses. For this project, the staff and students involved attended the school in Groningen, a vibrant city with a large student population. The college has over 11,500 students and 1,000 teaching staff and offers vocational and professional courses. The theme for the visit to Alpha College was water usage and its consumption. The third partner was MCAST, which is the main vocational institution in Malta. MCAST College mission statement is to provide universally accessible vocational education, professional education and training with an international dimension, responsive to the needs of the individual and the economy. In Malta, the project theme was energy costs and the renewable alternatives. The next partner, Jyväskylä College, is located in central Finland and is the largest regional education and training provider in the area, offering courses and study programs to allow students to progress to higher education. The theme in Finland was human comfort. The fifth partner involved in the project is the Palladio Technical Institute in Treviso, Italy, named after the famous Italian Renaissance architect and located only a short journey from Venice. In Italy, the project theme considered the impact on the environment.
So we started off with an idea. Should we have a more holistic approach in dealing with issues of building? If we have to build efficiently, should we only look at the materials that we use? We have realized that there are a lot of things that we can develop.
We had a project meeting in Kirkcaldy whereby we set the scene and decided how we were going to operate the project, what themes we were going to allocate to each country and how we were going to structure each of the group meetings.
This is always how projects develop. After a year, then we formed the partnership basis, and Adam Smith, of course, is the coordinator of this project. My involvement as well was also in the planning part, together with Adam Smith and the rest of the project partners. I believe that the meeting in Malta, like the others, are a very successful meeting, I would say. It was the first meeting whereby we have included students, because the first meeting was involved teachers in the planning. So it was very interesting to see students at work. I think this is the real nature of what we should seek in projects. It's true, it's very interesting to develop teams which are realistic, but I think the true essence of these projects is when you see these students interrelate with each other. So if they have a theme to interrelate on, then that's even better.
We had a talk with Martin Borch at Malta, back at the college. He spoke about this project that involved various students from different countries such as Scotland, Finland, and the Netherlands. We were very interested, me and my group, my college students. We took part in such a project to help us maybe expand our skills and knowledge regarding the construction industry.
During each project meeting, the teachers met one afternoon to discuss and agree the umbrella question which would cover the theme for the next meeting. We found this to be one of the most useful aspects in the organisation of the project, as it allowed the students plenty of time to research and prepare for their next national presentations.
We prepared about 2 months ago. We work very hard, and we meet all afternoon for prepare the presentation.
So now I talk about the impact of mobility on the environment. When you build, you have to think also to the impact on mobility, because many people not think to the consequence that they produce on the environment.
We got to know different procedures of sustainability, how we can conquer such problems, how our buildings can work more efficiently and more green. These were presented by all the other presentations of Scotland, Holland, Italians, and even Finland. They gave us a good overview of how they tackled the problem at that point in time.
We had our presentations, what we prepare in Finland. So snow that accumulates on top of the structures can cause damage to the buildings, and there is regulations in building instructions about how much roof must withstand a heavy snow loads.
And their main theme for our project was also water. They wanted us to relate to water in comparison to our country, as to how construction is affected by water and how we manage water in our country in the form of rainwater or snow or even humidity.
I think that the students get a lot of benefits traveling, because sometimes for some of them it's the first time they go abroad. Sometimes it's the first time they fly. So.
And I've never been abroad before, so I thought it would be fantastic to go abroad, meet all these different people who do different things, and just see what it was like, really.
I've never been to another country than Netherlands and Germany, so it was no really expectation actually. I hoped I would see some buildings, so I did. So it was good.
In Holland we were in Bhutan, and that was a very interesting place. The lady was very funny, who was telling us about the Bhutan.
May I ask you to come to the instrument of torture? It was very painful because it has on the back of the horse very sharp, it is very sharp.
We were lucky enough to have time to go down to Venice, and we spent a whole day in Venice and had a guided tour round most of the town and went to some galleries and things as well. In the actual town itself, it was a historic town that we were staying in, and we got to go and visit some government buildings, and there's lots put on for us. It was a very, very busy schedule.
I think the sauna has to be the best really visit that we've done, because that was something that, yes, Finland that they do, and it's part of their culture and something that they do daily sometimes, but to actually be asked and invited along to one of the biggest saunas in Europe, or in Finland certainly, was fabulous. The people there were lovely, the setting was beautiful, and I think overall it was a great day.
I actually got to know people from different countries that I probably wouldn't have if I wouldn't have been there, if I wouldn't have gone and met them. And I made loads of friends, which I wouldn't have tried to even, you know, if I wouldn't have gone for this project.
Meeting new people and just connecting with other people, knowing about other cultures. That's what I like about these projects.
We learned different methodologies regarding building construction and different materials used here in Scotland.
We've been to a building site. It's quite interesting. Even if it's close to Holland, it's still different, because I've seen they use a lot of sandstone. And in Holland we also always use bricks. And what I also saw with the roof construction, they use a lot of small wooden beams. And in Holland they use one big massive wooden beam to carry the entire weight of the roof.